If you've ever walked into a room and instantly felt smaller, like everyone else somehow belonged there more than you did, this video is about you. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people don't lose confidence because of one big failure. They lose it slowly, quietly, through habits they repeat every single day without noticing. By the end of this video, you'll be able to recognize the exact habits that may be destroying your confidence. And more importantly, you'll understand how to start rebuilding it. Because confidence is not something you're born with. It's something you either build or slowly unlearn. Let's start with number 1. Constant negative self-talk. That voice in your head that tells you you're not good enough, that you're behind in life, that you always mess things up. At first, it feels harmless. Just thoughts, just being realistic. But your brain doesn't understand jokes or exaggeration. It understands repetition. Every time you repeat a negative sentence about yourself, your nervous system treats it as truth. Over time, your posture changes. Your tone changes. Your willingness to try changes. Confidence doesn't disappear overnight. It erodes sentence by sentence. Most people think they're being honest with themselves, when in reality, they're practicing self-criticism on autopilot. Now let's move to number 2. Comparing yourself to everyone else. Scrolling through other people's lives, their bodies, their success, their confidence, and quietly deciding that you don't measure up. What you're really doing is comparing your private struggles to someone else's highlight reel. Your brain was never designed to see hundreds or thousands of people every day doing better than you. It reads that as failure, even when it isn't. Comparison doesn't motivate confidence. It creates dissatisfaction. And dissatisfaction slowly convinces you that who you are is never enough. Now number 3. Avoiding discomfort. Confidence is built through evidence. Evidence that you can survive discomfort. That you can try. That you can fail. And still be okay. But when you avoid difficult conversations, avoid new experiences, avoid being seen or heard, your brain learns one message: that you are fragile. And fragile people don't feel confident. Confidence grows when you show yourself that discomfort is not danger. It's just growth happening. Let's continue to number 4. Saying yes when you mean no. Every time you ignore your own boundaries, you teach yourself that your needs don't matter, that your time is not valuable, that your energy is available to everyone but you. Confidence is self-respect in action. And self-respect disappears when you constantly betray yourself to keep others comfortable. You may avoid conflict in the moment, but long-term, you create resentment. And resentment almost always turns inward. Number 5. Waiting to feel ready. Waiting for confidence before you act. Waiting for fear to disappear. That moment almost never comes. Confidence does not come before action. It comes from action. People you admire didn't start confident. They started uncertain and acted anyway. Every time you wait, you reinforce the belief that you can't handle uncertainty. And that belief quietly limits your life. Let's move on to number 6. Number 6. Ignoring your physical health. Low energy creates low confidence. Poor sleep affects emotional control. Poor nutrition affects focus and mood. When your body feels weak or drained, your mind follows. Confidence is not just mental. It is biological. Movement improves posture. Posture affects hormone signals. Hormones influence how confident you feel. Your body and your self-belief are deeply connected. Now number 7. Number 7. Reliving past mistakes. Replaying old moments. Old failures. Old embarrassing memories. Your brain doesn't recognize that the moment is over. It reacts as if it's happening again. Each replay strengthens the emotional response. Confidence requires updating your identity, not punishing yourself for who you used to be. Growth means letting the past stay in the past. Now number 8. Number 8. Seeking validation instead of alignment. Needing approval to feel worthy. Letting likes, compliments, praise determine your confidence. Validation feels good, but it's unstable. The moment it disappears, so does your confidence. True confidence comes from living in alignment with your values, not from being liked by everyone. And finally, number 9. Number 9. Believing confidence is something you're either born with or not. This belief keeps more people stuck than failure ever could. Confidence is not a personality trait. It's a skill, built through repetition, through experience, through self-trust. Self-trust grows when you keep promises to yourself, when you act even when it's uncomfortable, when you stop abandoning yourself for approval. Confidence doesn't belong to a certain age, a certain body type, or a certain background. It belongs to people who practice it. If some of these habits felt familiar, that doesn't mean something is wrong with you. It means you're human. Awareness is not weakness. It's the first step toward change. And change doesn't require perfection, only consistency. If this video helped you understand yourself better, if it gave you clarity instead of criticism, this is exactly what this channel is about. Every Age Health is here to help you build strength, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally, at every stage of life. If you want more content like this, content that helps you grow from the inside out, subscribe to Every Age Health channel. And if you're comfortable, leave a comment sharing which habit you're working on letting go of first. You're not behind. You're becoming.